Okay, guys.
Oh my god.
No, they're loose.
This man is hella prepared.
All right, guys.
Look, there's somebody's dad out there. Look out there. Can you do that?
We're at a pump track for the first time, and they require helmets, but because of COVID, we couldn't rent any. So I went out. We went to this bike place.
Look at me.
I bought this $190 mountain biking helmet because I've been mountain biking, so it's not that big of a deal. But let's go. I was gonna say, let's go try it. Tell me why I'm out of breath so soon. I just got here.
Oh, you have a GoPro.
Yes, sir. Bro, are you out of breath too, Chief?
Oh, hey, I'm ready to go home.
Heck no. Okay, bro.
I'm ready for an hour break though. Holy crap.
Bro. Dude, we're just pumping. We're not even pedaling. Why my throat closing up? Because I got asthma. I know. That's why I'm wearing a helmet, baby.
Bet you'll do this. Not even.
Oh shit. I almost died, bro. Alf, what's up? I don't. The fact that I can't even do that says something. Yeah. Oh, bro, you. Oh fuck. Yeah.
All right, y'all, you ride with me for a little bit.
It's all you. I'm getting snacked.
We gonna go crazy, y'all. All right, this is my bike. Her name is Samantha. Samantha sexy as a mug. I landed so sideways, bro. That's hard. I ride that, but like, really want to tire ride that. I don't know if y'all can see. I think I'm gonna try. Hey, I did it, but.
I was in the other way. A lot easier than I thought.
Oh shoot. Hey, I kind of got a little dipped on that.
All right, still a couple more. Okay, that's fun.
Hey, this looks lit. Hey, this is fun now that no one's here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh! Wow, I almost died. I don't know if I can. Again?
I do it on purpose though.
Oh. All right, here we go, here we go. Oh, that was ugly. All right, I'm gonna get that cleaner this time because I want to like ride out of it clean. Oh. Oh my gosh. That was bad, bro. Damn. That makes sense. It's all good.
You know what? I committed and I almost.
All right,
so
we'll
I'll
get the.
find that.